In this case, the sample PDF we are looking at contains some placeholder text, often referred to as lorem ipsum. This text is commonly used in design and publishing to fill space and give an idea of how the final document will look. It doesn't have any real meaning but helps visualize the layout. Think of it like a blueprint for a house. Just as a blueprint shows the design without being the actual house, this placeholder text shows how the document will be structured without conveying any specific information. In summary, a simple PDF file serves as a versatile way to present information, and the placeholder text helps us understand how the final document might appear. The phrase vestibulum dicta mollic et same suggests that we can create a strong foundation for our ideas. It emphasizes the importance of organizing our thoughts clearly. When we say nulla facilisi, it indicates that we should strive for simplicity in our writing. Complicated language can confuse readers, so clarity is key. Moving on, Vestibulum cum sonanti vitae elite highlights how we can build on our main ideas to make them more impactful. The mention of nullum varius conguerius suggests that variety in our writing can keep readers engaged. For instance, using different sentence structures can make our writing more dynamic. Think of it like cooking. If you only use one ingredient, the dish can become bland. But by mixing different flavors, you create something delicious. In summary, clear organization, simplicity, and variety are essential for effective writing. These elements help us communicate our ideas more effectively and keep our audience interested. When we talk about writing, it's important to maintain a smooth and engaging flow. This means that each sentence should connect well with the next, creating a seamless reading experience. For instance, think of it like a river. If the water flows smoothly, it's easy to follow. However, if there are obstacles, like rocks or branches, the flow gets disrupted, making it harder to navigate. In writing, we want to avoid those obstacles. We should ensure that our ideas transition smoothly from one to another. This can be achieved by using appropriate linking words and phrases that guide the reader through our thoughts. To recap, maintaining a clear structure and flow in writing is essential for effective communication. Just like a well-flowing river, good writing guides the reader effortlessly from one idea to the next. When we talk about writing, it's important to understand how different elements come together to create a cohesive piece. For instance, the way we introduce ideas can set the tone for the entire text. Using phrases that connect thoughts smoothly helps the reader follow along easily. Think of it like building a bridge. Each part needs to connect well to ensure safe passage from one side to the other. Another key aspect is the use of transitions. These are words or phrases that guide the reader from one idea to the next. They help maintain the flow and make the writing more engaging. For example, if you were telling a story, using transitions like first, next, and finally can help your audience understand the sequence of events. In summary, effective writing relies on clear structure and smooth transitions to guide the reader through the text. This makes your ideas more accessible and enjoyable to read. In our discussion, we can think about how different elements come together to create a cohesive whole. For instance, when we talk about neon pellantesque, we can imagine it as a foundational element in a design, much like the base of a building. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Then we have audio justo, which suggests a balance between various components. Just like in a well-composed piece of music, where different instruments play together harmoniously, each part must work in sync to achieve the desired effect. As we continue, Donik Lesenia emphasizes the importance of flow and connection between elements. Think of it like a river that connects different landscapes. It guides the viewer's eye and creates a sense of movement. In summary, understanding how these elements interact helps us appreciate the intricacies of design and structure. Each piece plays a vital role in the overall composition. First, let's talk about how our body is designed for various functions. The phrase "kra rhesus daughter" suggests that our body has a specific way of moving and responding to different situations. For instance, when we engage in physical activities, our muscles and joints work together to create smooth movements. This coordination is essential for everything we do, from walking to playing sports. Next, Faseval Pitatapsum Mauris indicates that there are specific pathways and mechanisms in our bodies that help us perform tasks efficiently. Think of it like a well-organized team where each member knows their role, leading to better performance. Additionally, Kerobita Sedoran reminds us that maintaining balance and stability is crucial. Just like a tightrope walker needs to keep their center of gravity, our bodies also require balance to function properly. In summary, our body is a complex system designed for movement and stability, allowing us to perform a variety of activities effectively. In our lives, we often encounter various situations that require us to adapt and respond effectively. For instance, when we face challenges, like a difficult task at work or school, we need to find ways to manage our stress and maintain our focus. This is similar to how a river flows around obstacles, finding the best path forward. Additionally, it's crucial to understand the importance of collaboration and communication with others. Just as a team works together to achieve a common goal, our interactions with friends and family can help us navigate through life's ups and downs. In summary, adapting to challenges and fostering good communication are key to our success and well-being. By embracing these ideas, we can enhance our daily experiences and relationships.